Rise and shine, David. Rise and shine to you as well. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and tomorrow afternoon we have to drive back to Weston. So I'm just gonna film today, take you along with me, and already the morning's not off to the best start. So I check my texts, and Positive sends me this at 3:39 a.m. David, I started a fire. It was small, but now we have to pay $150 each. I am sorry. I will make it up to you. I don't know if he's joking, sending a prank. I figured we'd just do a quick story time where I tell you about my dream last night. We were in a movie theater and I was at the bottommost row. There was some sort of game where I had to get to the top row. And there was an enormous spider with 8 legs, and like it would just walk around. So then its legs would just crawl over the seats. I think I lost, so I missed church this morning.
Here's the demand yet.
Do we do a demand here?
Here's one other.
So my mom and I are heading to Costco right now to pick up any food, anything I might need to bring back to Res. And there are also some clothes that I have to return. I can give you a quick look. So we have like a maroon red crew neck, and the second one is a white pair of like khakis. I got them because I wanted white jeans for a long time, and they kind of look like white jeans and they're a lot more comfortable. So I got really excited. One down, one more to go. Just going for a plain black t-shirt, and I feel like this slim fit looks pretty good. It'll just go with a lot of outfits. So this is it. Returning the crew neck, getting a black t-shirt. That's what's up. I feel like that was pretty successful. Now let's go to Costco. Wholesale. I'm about to meet up with my boy Nick at 2 p.m. It's like 1:15 right now, so I'm gonna quickly run back to the mall and pick up the pair of AirPod Pros. This new t-shirt that we just got, putting it to good use. Yes, I'll show you in the mirror in 1 second. Yeah, damn right. All right, so you can see the Cineplex logo on the back. Just getting a mango smoothie, and Nick's got like some milk tea or something?
Yeah, green like milk tea.
That also looks really good. So I'm just gonna chat for a bit and see. So just to talk about what happened with the original AirPod Pros, we got them on Kijiji, but they ended up being fake. So it's kind of just like a lesson learned moment that with tech like this, it's probably not best to buy it off of someone. It's gonna break it. Good. Okay. This is how it's supposed to work. That was the AirPod Pro unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Let's go. Yeah, that's the end of the unboxing segment. See ya. A video of all this delicious food you made, Mom.
Nice.
And the creator behind it all. Haha, hello, Mom. And then I'll mix this with this.
Decoration.
Right to the top, baby. Not bad. Let's go. Perfect slice.
就停在那里，就大家想着他快点吃，快点吃。
Sam, is the best view not the one in the foreground? I could blur the background and like people would enjoy it all the same. No. You know what I mean?
It'd be significantly worse.
I'm realizing now that I didn't film an ending segment to the vlog, and it's like 11:45 p.m. right now. I was already in bed, sleeping, and then I was like, oh shoot. So here I am now. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'm proud of you for watching this instead of studying for your midterms. You made the right choice.